Consecutive passes, probably 3 or 4 times around the back, maybe not through.
Javen, press it. Javen, press it. Javen, go, Javen, press it.
One, just one.
Let's go, Hurricanes, let's go.
Too close, Johnny.
That's
Johnny, touch too close, eh? So make sure you're okay.
Let's go, Hurricanes.
Well done. That's Julian.
Mark up. Jasper, first to it if it comes near you. First to the ball, Jasper. And again. Stay focused. Press, Kendall.
Johnny.
Press it. Well done, Jasper. And again. Relax. Good. Good. Press on the ball right away, boys.
Johnny, wide, right?
Put up now. Defense, put up.
He's calling us up.
No, the ball was rolling. Kendall, find a pocket. Yeah, but find a pocket. On the goal kick, find a pocket. Back there, goal kick. Julian, find a gap.
Johnny, wide. Johnny, wide.
Yeah.
That's better.
Johnny, pick up. Johnny, pick up. First to it. Go on, Jasper. Go on, Jasper. Jasper, go. Stay wide. No, it's our ball. Get in, Jasper. Johnny.
Let's go.
Pick up now, Jasper. We're defending now.
Way up here, back, way up here, way up here, way up here.
First to it, blue.
Let's go. Hit the stool, let's go.
Javen, stay up there. Javen. Unlucky.
Come on, Hurricanes, let's find it.
Johnny. Pick up. Watch the width, Lucas. Watch the two coming in the middle. Yeah, good press, David. Early, Julian. Good. Go on. And again.
Yeah.
And again, Jasper. Yeah, good.
Let's go, Hurricanes, come on.
Watch the throw, boys. Come on, Kendall. Stuck in, Kendall. Come on, Jasper.
Let's go. Come on, buddy.
And again, Jasper. It's okay. That's all right, Blue. Stay here.
Johnny, wide, right?
not so close to it. John, you're right in line with
You're on.
David.
You're on.
You gotta be kind of shallow. Yeah.
Lucas, yep. Yeah, go help. Go help.
Johnny, one there. Jasper.
Get back in. Good. Good.
Kendall, ask for it.
Well done, Lucas. Use them.
Johnny, help.
Johnny's not really showing. He's going out.
Drop in, Jasper. Well done, Julian. Step, Jasper. Come on. Press.
Stuck in, boys. Yeah, well done, Johnny. Up. Yeah, well done. Let's go, boys. Come on, Hurricanes.
You got it. Well done. Great work, Jasper. Well done. Did you tell anybody you were injured? Because I had no idea. No, you told me that you were coming. Not that you were injured. Thomas, are you ready? Yeah, okay, warm up. Thomas, warm up. Dylan, warm up.
Too close. Aria! Azul!
Guys, we can start warming up too. Let's get you warmed up. Drive to it, drive. Get in there, Kendall. Pick up.
Guys.
Yeah, you leave the good, Julian. Right back, Julian.
Carry. Kendall, push up.
You want to do Julian or Lucas?
Doesn't matter.
Let's do both of them. Guys, we're going to play in the back. Okay? So I want you to just keep everything in front of you. And if you get it, just play the midfielders, play into the... Well done, Kendall. Get out. Jasper, get away from him.
Good job, Aiden. Keep up, boys. Get that pressure away. Win that ball. Come on, Blue.
It's all right, Jasper. Well done. Pick up. Go on, Julian.
Don't stop!
Jasper, one more. Jasper, here it is. Still gotta be watching the ball, right?
you're hurt, go down. Just play. We're gonna sub you in a second, Jasper. Candle, don't wait.
Shoot it.
Tell him, Jasper. Johnny, he's stuck in there. Well done, Candle. Quick there.
Position behind you.
Sub, bro.
Okay, let's go,
Yes,
guys.
make the subs. No, stay here. Keep warming up.
Good ball in there. Hey, you gotta be able to repeat, right?
So just take a breather. Okay? Just take a breather. And quick, Candle, quicker, good. Good. You just stay.
Fernando.
Cheat in the middle on the corner.
Lucas, play left, play right back. Okay? Play back. With back in.
Come on, Blue. Let's get on the end of that, Blue. Oh, come on, Blue. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, Lucas. Oh, well done, Blue. Come on. Keep up, keep up. Gotta still play. Gotta play. You gotta play. Epic. That's right, our ball. Well done. Well done. That's how we got it.
Right there.
Yeah, be available to play. Candle, find Candle, be somewhere. Jasmine, just settle in the back, okay? We can play through you, through Grayson, out the other side.
Hey, keep up the intensity. Candle, keep up the intensity in there.
Let's go.
Hold on,
Jaden.
Jaden.
Pick it up.
So Dylan, just
Jaden, go
remember we're
press it.
defending.
Jaden, go press it.
We pinch, right? When we're defending, we have the ball. We spread out.
Step in, Dylan, come on.
Yeah. And again.
And again, get there. You go. Yep. Go ahead, Jasmine. Find a pocket, Candle. Find a pocket, Candle. Candle, find a pocket.
Say, what are the chances it's gonna hit that ball?
Just give it back to them. Hey, pass it back to him. Johnny, just give it back to
He's
him.
gonna knock it back.
Just roll it back to him.
Johnny, 2 and 9. You gotta be in that space.
Great ball, Lucas. Candle, take a touch.
1-2.
Hey, we can't have 3v2. Dylan, you got to drop back. It's 3v2 now. Go help, Dylan. Relax, Dylan. Don't kill yourself. We can't have 3v2, boys. 3 of them against 3 of ours. The weak side winger back to the third. Wake up, Dylan. Yep. Quicker, Candle. Candle, take a touch.
That's you, Kendall.
Go on, Dylan. Go on, Dylan. Dylan, you gotta recover.
You gotta
Dylan,
pinch. You gotta pinch.
come on, Candle. Dylan, close him.
Yeah, well done.
Well done, Jasmine. Yeah, Julian, get ready. Not yet. Not yet.
No. Just stay.
Johnny, again, in line. You gotta be in the shallower space. Sub rep. Lucas, come take a breather.
Yes. Just drop your pee on the ground.
Subs, come in.
Yes.
Candle. Candle.
So Julian, your midfield.
Spread out. Cover number.
What's his number? I gotta remember his number. Blue, give him an option. Julian, in here. Julian, in here. Come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Right away.
It was a fair tackle. Just get two guys in the wall. Maybe get Jaden.
Javen, go back in the wall.
Go in the wall.
Get set in the wall. Grayson! 3 guys! Julian! You're not in the wall. Julian, if they pass across, we have to press the ball 100%. Julian, if it comes across, it's you. You gotta press if they pass it. Well done, Julian! On your horse! Dylan, recover a little bit. Well done, boys! Well done! Good job, Blue. Julian, up. Get out, Jaden. Dylan out. Johnny, push up. Wait, Grayson, wait. Wait for everybody to get out. Man on. Let's go, Hurricanes. Johnny, look for it, Johnny. You didn't touch it!
Right? And you're calling for the ball, and you got space around you, and you're like, you can see the ball, and you're asking for it. You're not hiding behind a defender.
Let's go, Hurricanes!
Javen, go press it. Press the ball back.
10 minutes left. Let's go, fellas.
Come on, Blue.
Well done. Take it in. Come on,
Relax. Thomas, not so far. Come on, Johnny. Look for it. Win it, Julian. You gotta track. Stay with him. Track him. Track back. Dylan, up the line. You sure? Go win it. Go win it. Go win it again. Well done, Javen. Nothing wrong with that. Drop in, Dylan.
Move up.
Hey, and I need you guys demanding the ball, okay?
Johnny.
Intensity. Mark, intensity. Come on.
You guys, well done. Good work. Good work. Good work out there. Okay, well done.
Sam, intensity. Well done. Good work.
Come on, boys.
Front of the goal.
Oh, good save, Grayson. Mark, wide, Mark. Just keep, Mark, here. This is your space. Because you don't want to be a forward. This is your space, right? Catch Julian. Mark.
Pick up, Jaden, pick up. Johnson, pick up. Pick up, Mark, pick up. Pick up again. Just have him in front of you and then go get it. Go on, Mark. Unlucky. Settle if we can. Same thing, keep everything in front of you. Be aware. Keep everything in front of you, now we press it. Recover, Mark, come on. Relax.
Keeper's good.
No.
Hey, Jasm. That's the ball.
It was out, but it was going to go out.
Yeah, well, if he's going to play anything, that's the ball he should be. So Mark, stay wide, right?
Sam, push up, let Thomas do it.
Okay, so we'll get back in, okay? Let's close it down today. Yeah, works, okay? You're doing awesome. Okay, defensively, let's go shut it down. So next one,
Let's go, Russell. Let's go, buddy.
anything?
Let's go, fellas.
Well, Mark, stay. Mark, stay. This is your space. That's a good ball. Julian, ask for it.
Let's go, Hurricanes. Let's go, buddy. Keep going.
Well done, Thomas.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Shazam!
Johnson, yes.
Okay, good work. Yeah, really good work out there. Good job.
You sure? You should stay off of it.
Come on, Mark, follow it.
That's fine.
Nolan.
Hey guys, very simple, right? Very simple. Very simple.
Press it. Go on, Mark.
Unlucky. That's okay, Javen.
Just defend.
Nothing wrong with that. Mark, tighten up, right? Your chin.
Let's go, boys.
Here it comes.
Control
One
it.
more.
Don't just give it
Thomas,
away.
one more. No turn.
That's fine. Mark up.
Right. Yeah, Javen, just tuck in.
Javen.
Oh, coach, who am I gonna play?
Julian, that side of him.
Julian, inside, tuck in.
Well done, Julian.
Grayson, well done in there.
Mark up.
Well done, Grayson. Mark.
Grayson! Hey! Grayson, wait! Grayson!
I'm out to Mark.
Grayson, just take your time. Let the ref ask you to play.
That's a throw in. Sam, it's your throw.
Matthew! Switzer!
Mark, make sure you stay wide. Right, start wide.
Thomas, hold back. Just be ready.
Lucky guys.
Relax.
One more, Mark. Oh, sorry. Well done, guys. Sam, great ball. Well done, guys.
Where did the ball go that time, too? Thank you. David, you need to press it. Press it.
Lots of time.
Why do we get the ball?
Pick it up. Wait. Good, Grayson.
Come, Mark. Show. Well done, Thomas.
Send it.
You know what Javen is doing too? He's coming in a shower, and he's coming in a little bit shallower, and that allows the wingers to get a little deeper. So that's actually working really well.
Mark, start wide.
We'll see. Good touch, Julian.
Press it. Go on, Julian. Keep him there, Mark. Keep him there. And again, Julian. Well done, Thomas.
Show, Sam. Show him.
Mark, push up. Hey, now hit him. Keep him there, Julian. Keep him there. Well done. And again. Great ball, Julian. Mark, recover. Mark, recover to 17. Out of bounds. Let it go.
Hey, let's slow down. Show, Sam. It's safe,
Well done, Grayson.
Sam. Unlucky, Sam. Good idea. That's okay.
Recover now. Mark. Cheat back, Mark. Sam, drop a little.
Save, Grayson. Lost time.
You, Sam. Good ball, Grayson.